What's up, everyone? Back here with the truck. Got a new wheel setup on it. Looks really good. So, also, it's pretty dirty right now, but it's the middle of winter and Tyler hasn't gotten to the power washing yet. That's okay though, you know, understandable of course. So we're gonna come up a little bit closer here and Tyler's gonna give you the specs of what he's got going on.
So these wheels are 18 by 10 KMC Monster 2s. And the wheels are, the tires are 35 by 2.5. Just some Destination Firestone tires. If you're thinking about getting these, they're actually a pretty meaty tire for all terrains. I would recommend them. Definitely a lot wider than the stock tires. But unfortunately with that wideness, we do have a bit of rubbing up front, and we can show you that later. Overall, think about getting these tires, they're really nice. They're gonna give you about 2 inches of poke. But that's why fender flare is to make it road legal, obviously. Other than that, yeah. Actually something cool about these, the little cover over the hubcaps, hub locks. Up front, the middle part here pops out so you can access the hub lockers, which is pretty nice because that would have been a pain in the ass to have to get out, take all these screws whenever I want to put in the 4-wheel drive.
Yep.
So yeah, that just makes it nice and easy. Got the worn hub locks on.
Got the yellow shocks. They're not the prettiest, but they get the job done. Brand new. What was the issue before? The bearings in the shocks itself?
The bushings were shot.
The bushings.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's got brand new bushings, new shocks. Yeah, I mean, looks really good. I mean, not that it didn't look good before, but this just makes it a whole new truck.
Yeah, completely different look. And they're not super huge. I was thinking about getting what were they? 375 45s.
Yeah.
They would give me like an extra, almost inch wider. But that's just too much. I mean, it looks good with the 35s. Not too wide. Especially because I want to keep it road legal.
Yeah.
This is a decent. I mean, I wish I could go bigger. I need a lift for that. All it's got is a leveling kit right now. So overall, pretty happy with that.
Yeah.
Recommend 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure everyone can agree this looks really good. Just, it really pops now, and the only other cosmetic thing that he plans on doing is the taillights, but I mean, that's not super important right now. That's just if, you know, a little extra money laying on the side. So yeah, you want to show him how it rubs?
Yeah.
I gotta get this side. So the tires rub decently bad. It actually kind of shaved off this part of the bumper here.
So basically, if you get these tires and you don't want them to rub, you're gonna need at least a 2-inch leveling kit. And if you don't want them to rub, they're gonna rub with this. Obviously, you're gonna want to take like a sawzall or something and just cut this right down. For me, I'm thinking about just taking this piece off right here, honestly, and just cutting that. But for the back, for the wheel well, you're gonna have to take like an angle grinder or something and cut like all the way up. Yeah, obviously it's the middle of winter right now, so I'm not really wanting to go out in 20-degree weather and do that.
Yeah.
Because it's a bad issue, but you can live with it for temporarily. Like this, if I have to drive with this year round, it's not gonna last. Something's gonna go. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting these, definitely gonna have to trim it.
For sure. So yeah, guys, that'll be it for this, and hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys like the new look of the truck. I know we do. And leave your feedback in the comment section. So thanks for watching.